I am Jem. I'm here to discuss how to use while loop in C++. The while statement creates a loop that executes a specified statement as long as the test condition evaluates to true. The condition is evaluated before executing the statement. Here is a declaration. I declare A is equals to 10. I'll put a while, and beside the while is the condition. The condition is A is less than to 20. The condition is an expression evaluated before each pass through the loop. If this condition evaluates to true, statement is executed. When condition evaluates to false, execution continues with the statement after the while loop. Under the condition is the statement. The statement is an optional statement that is executed as long as the condition evaluates to true. To execute multiple statements within the loop, use a block statement, curly braces, to group those statements. Under the statement is the increment. This is the condition for the while loop. X is less than or equal to 20. Under the condition is another statement. And under the statement is the increment. The program will run until the condition becomes false. I hope you learned something about my tutorial. That's all. Thank you!
Hi, I will discuss to you the for loop. So, in this program, user is asked to enter a positive integer which is stored in variable n. Suppose user entered 5. So we enter a number positive number 5. Then the output is 120. The factorial of 5 is 120. Then, you know, then I will show you how it works. First, your declaration and variable. In this, your declaration and variables. Now, the program, how it works is initially I is equal to 1 to test expression is true. Factorial become 1. I is updated to 2. Test expression is true. Factorial become 2. I is equal updated to 3. The test expression is true. Factorial become 6. I is updated to 6. Test expression is true. Factorial become 120. I is updated to 6. Text expression is false. For loop is terminated. How for loops work? The initialization statement is executed only once at the beginning. Then the test expression is evaluated. If the expression is false, for loop is terminated. But if the expression is true, codes inside body of for loop is executed and update expression is updated. Again, the test expression is evaluated and this process repeats until the test expression is false. So this is the syntax of for loop. Your initialization, condition, and the increment. Then your expression. Then, yeah. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Jonna and I'm here to teach you how to use do while loop in C++. Here's our first example in do while loop. This is the header and this is the declaration. I declare A is equals to 1. And here's the do loop execution. And inside the do, I put the statement. And then after the do, here's the while. And inside the while, I put the condition A is less than 6. So here's another example of the while loop. Again, this is the header. And here's the declaration. I declare num and I. And here's the do loop execution. Here's the statement. And in while, the condition is num is greater than equal to I. Notice that the conditional expression appears at the end of the loop. So the statement in the loop executes once before the condition is tested. If the condition is true, the flow of control jumps back to the do and the statement in the loop executes again. This process repeats until the given condition becomes false. That's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something from my tutorial. Bye!
Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm here to briefly discuss with you what an array is. Here, we have a program that is an example of an array. It will ask for 5 integers and then display them afterwards. So I will then input 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. And as you can see here, the numbers are then displayed. So, an array is a series of elements of the same type placed in contiguous memory locations that can be individually referenced by adding an index to a unique identifier. So we have here identifier, which is int, and then index, you can assign any number here, and then element, which is the value to be assigned per number of the index. So what happened to the value of the num inside the program? If you assign an integer for the index, the count of space you assign always starts from 0. In the program, j is equal to 1, and it is iterated until its value becomes 5. Since we started j is equal to 1, num0 has no value assigned here. So for num1, the first value assigned here is 9, num2, the second value assigned here is 8, the third value assigned which is 7, the fourth value assigned here is 6, and the fifth value assigned here is 5. Note, the elements field within square brackets, representing the number of elements in the array, must be a constant expression since arrays are blocks of static memory whose size must be determined at compile time before the program runs.
So now, I'm going to teach you what is a character type function and how to use it. What is a character type function? A character type function used to test values or variable containing single character or symbol. This error declares a set of functions to classify and transform individual characters. There are two sets of functions. First is a character classification functions. They check whether the character passed as a parameter belongs to a certain category. For second is a character conversion functions. Two functions that converts between the letter cases. So, unlike the character classification function, we only have two character conversion function and those are two lower and two upper.